Today we're in the kitchen. We got a sink here that doesn't work like it's supposed to. Well, it works like it's supposed to anyway, but the hot side works, but the cold side, it drips. It's got a seal that's bad. 23 degrees outside, I think. Not sure. There's a spot right there. That's where I did the video the other day of the old Kohler Trilon. If any of you all remembers that. But anyway, so we're going to go ahead and get started. Got some little seats in here that goes bad. As soon as I get my Allen wrench out, there we go. I put this faucet in about 5 or 6 years ago, and this is the second or third time that I've had to put seals in it. Handle, don't need that. Oh yeah, might as well add. Probably wouldn't hurt to go ahead and turn the water off. I just dropped the flashlight on the floor. Beautiful. Alright, just reach back here. There's one. Uh-oh. There's a future project. That's not real good. I don't like the sound of that. I've got a shut-off valve back here that leaks. That's going to be a future video coming soon. So anyway, this unscrews. Give it a minute. That still works. Okay, so we get to go under here some more. I'm not going to tinker with this too much. You probably can't see anything. On account of the fact that shut-off valve is probably going to break. Oh, wait a minute. I turned the wrong one. Okay, well, there it is. You probably can't see it. Okay, so that evidently goes to the washing machine. Yes, I've shut the one off to the not washing machine, but the dishwasher. Yes, it doesn't get used anyway. Hint, that will do a real good job cleaning valve covers and oil pans and such. You didn't hear that from me. Okay, so that's off now. You also, there's a special tool that they make to get that off with. You don't really have to have that. And that pops out. Let's see, that is still in good shape. There's nothing wrong with that. So the problem, take a little rag, is there's a couple of seals down in here. Yeah, they go bad. Alright, and I pull the other one out for the hot. Okay, now I'm going to set the camera down right here. Don't go away. Alright, I got one of my junk boxes here. Take some of the stuff out. Let's see, here's a spring. Got to have that. And here's another spring. Yeah, those two will work. So I'll go ahead and set these down. Hopefully they will work. Yep, that one fits. And that one fits. Yep, there we go. And I've got a couple of seats. Let's see, there's one seat. Alright, now get another seat here. I know I've got one. Here we are. Pardon if I don't have the camera in the right place at the right time. Alright, so I've got new seats. Wait. Something isn't right. Okay, well, let's look at it like this then. Okay, well, maybe the springs. Alright. So I'll go ahead and use the old springs. It won't hurt nothing. Yeah, those look right anyway. Which actually is okay. I mean, you can do that. I've used the old springs many times. It doesn't hurt nothing. It hurt anything. Sometimes these are kind of like a universal fit type thing. Oh, it's stuck. Let's set the camera down. When in actuality, all you have to do is just replace these little seats that goes in, because that's all it goes bad anyway. And so I'll take and put this, make sure there's a little groove that goes right there. It's the hard part, get it to match up like it's supposed to. And that turns. Okay, well. This one has decided that it's going to be troublesome today. There we go. And this goes back in. Never mind the background sounds. The cats like cats like to get into things and cause trouble. And put the little seal back down, just like that. And the top part threads back together. Sometimes that's hard to do. And we try the operation out, which is that's stiff like it's supposed to, and it will be. And I'm going to go ahead and replace the handle. Whoops. Okay. Let's set this back down again. Now, all we have to do is go back under here and turn the water back on. There's one. Now the hot water, which is behind this drain line, you probably can't see anything. It probably looks like you're looking into a hole. There we go. There's the hot. There's the cold. And that's what I had to replace, these two little cups right there. Of course, the springs. There's a spring here on the windowsill. Yeah, those were too stiff. They didn't work. It's worth a try anyway. Yeah, 23 degrees. It's cloudy out there. Chance of snow. I think they said on the weather forecast today that we'd be getting about 2 inches tonight, somewhere along in there. I'm getting kind of tired of it. But anyway, there's a faucet repaired. thanks again for watching my videos. Please subscribe if you haven't already, or if you want to. Thanks again.